Bom dia, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Welcome to the Bitcoin Family YouTube channel. For the newcomers, my name is Didi Tayutu. Yes, I hodl Bitcoin. Yes, I say BAM a lot of time. But yes, I also talk about blockchain and life during the 10 videos we make every week again and again. We already surpassed the 50k followers. Today a short TA video with crazy cool Bitcoin charts that will show you and me and all the rest of the world the way where we are going to go with Bitcoin. Just enjoy the video to the fullest because it's going to be crazy cool charts, guys. Let's jump quickly into the charts while I zip my cup of coffee. Let's start over here. Bam.
I've been running so long that my feet don't work no more. Oh yeah, I've been running so long that my feet don't work no more. Oh no, it ain't easy, darling.
Didi, that is not a chart. No, this is not a chart. This is the Bitcoin Family website. And why do I show this one? Because I want to tell you guys, please be aware of all the scammers. There's a lot of scammers that make fake profiles of Didi YouTube, fake profiles of the Bitcoin Family on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, all over the place. That's not us. The only way we sell products is on our website, thebitcoinfamily.com. You can see here products. That's the products that we do. We do not direct message you. We do not send you our mobile number. We do not text you in Telegram all over the place. We will only sell products on the website. Very clear. Now let's jump quickly into the BAM charts over here. This is the 5-day chart. You have been seeing this chart a few times now, and this is the Gaussian channel. Like I said a couple of days ago, my mouth is dry. We should not close down below this thick green midline. Thick green midline. Can you see that one? That line. Don't close below that one. And that is now very important. And this candle is going to close in 1 day and 17 hours. So in 1 day and 17 hours, this candle needs to close above that line. Very important. If not, very bearish. Okay? That's clear. Okay. Bam. Over here. Also, this is the 4-hour chart. This is the day chart. Sorry, guys. Also, not very positive. Look, this candle. We need to stay inside of this. And this is the BLX. So this one still needs to be adjusted. It's all a little bit slower. If you take a look at the normal chart here, then I think, look, the candle is already going outside of that beautiful trend line. And we want to stay inside. We want to go up. If we fall down, we will fall into that green area again, which would really be strange because here we see on the bottom the RSI needs to go up, and the BLX, you see the same. You know, we have drawn this huge pattern so that if we break out, we can break out to downside over here 25, 24, or to the top 45k, and we see this compression in the RSI now for months and months. So we should be breaking out to the top, in my opinion. If we break down out of this pattern on a daily base, then the first drop will be to this green line, in my opinion, 31,333. If we don't find support there, we could fall down all the way down to 26, 25k area, even later here 24k area. So it's going to be very exciting the next couple of days, guys. Like I've been saying, yes, for a few days now, be prepared. And yes, I know you think that I always say be prepared, but you should be prepared. Something is about to happen. Look how close these lines are coming to each other. Something is going to happen, guys, and I will show you this in the next couple of charts. But before I show you the next 5 really awesome charts, take a look at this. Bam. Because whatever happens, if we go up or if we go down, we can trade it. And to trade it, you can use indicators, and we have the BAM BAM indicator and the TikTok indicator. And the BAM BAM and the TikTok indicator just tell you when to take the trade, or when it's safest to take the trade. You get a short flag, you get a candle closing down below the yellow stepping line, you get a red dot and blue and yellow, you have the red line on top, you have the BAM BAM already crossing over there. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 confirmations. You could take that short, and if you would have taken that short, let's say very late, you would still be now let's say over here 1% profit with a leverage of 10. It's 10% profit. Sorry, guys, I need to draw it again. So even if you take it late, you still would be in a 1.5% profit. If you fall further, the profit becomes bigger. You can see the long over here, you did the same. You took the long there, closing above the candle. Yeah, you see green and appearing, the green line on top, bam, crossed. So you have 3 confirmations. That's less than 5. More secure trade, less secure trade. Okay, now let's jump into those really. If you want, by the way, if you want more information with Bam Bam or TikTok indicator, go to thebitcoinfamily.com. Just go to the website thebitcoinfamily.com and sign up there. And if you want to help us, then also go down below this video to the links to trade on Bybit. You get like $1,000 bonus, or I think on Dudex a $300 bonus, and a Prime XBT a 50% deposit bonus. So whatever you deposit, 50% extra on the Prime XBT, guys. It's a huge bonus. So go to those exchanges down below in the links, click them, because we earn some fees, and those fees will be used to help people all over the world. And I'm referring to poor people and not the rich people. They have enough help. Okay, now let's jump into the next part of the video, guys. The part with amazing charts. These over here, bam. Okay, this is going to be quite interesting. I'm going to make my face smaller. This is the first chart. If we take a look at this chart, we can see a few things. The first thing that we can see is it's the Bitcoin net transfer volume from and to exchanges. It's a 14 daily moving average. The last couple of days, weeks, more than 2,000 Bitcoins have been leaving the exchanges. Outflow. This is an outflow dominance. A lot of Bitcoins are being pulled off the exchanges. Almost 2,000 on average per day. That is a shitload of Bitcoins that is being pulled down of the exchanges. The other way around, when a lot of Bitcoins go to the exchanges, that's the moment you can expect a drop. The moment you see Bitcoins flowing out of the exchanges, that is the moment mostly when you see the Bitcoin price will again go up. Look to the left on the chart. Every time we were in this area of minus 2,000 would be a beautiful moment to buy. If you bought here, you had to run. You sold over here, you bought here, you had to run. You sold over there, every time. So this, in my opinion, is a very beautiful sign, which you can also see on this chart. On this chart you see the same. On this chart you see as well that return to miner accumulation is over here. But here again, the net miner position is going up. So the miners are stacking their Bitcoins again, which is very positive, which you also can see, bam, over here. Here on this chart, you can see that at the top of the Bitcoin price, 6,700 Bitcoins left the Bitcoin miner balances. 6,700 Bitcoins. And now, in the last month, they again accumulated 3,200 Bitcoins, those miners. So the miners start to accumulate Bitcoins again, which means they hold the Bitcoins for the moment that the price will be on the top again, and then they will sell. This is the mining game they play. Very positive in my opinion. I think they are waiting for a pump. Let's go to the next chart. Bam, over here. This one is also miners. The mean hash rate. You see that the hash rate drop was almost 55%, because of the China stuff and all that stuff. But now at the moment, we are only at a 39% drop. So we are recovering. The miners start to recover. The hash rate is going up again. So more and more miners are switching their machines on because it becomes profitable. And because it becomes profitable, they make more Bitcoin. So also very positive news. Do we have more cool charts? Yes, 3 more. Bam. Here, another one. Is my face on the right place? Yes, it is. Somewhere wrong, of course. This is a very cool chart I found, created by Mr. Velvet. I saw this chart and I thought, cool chart, 3-day chart. Let's see. The 3-day chart, you need to look at the RSI on the bottom and the MAC. And if you look at the RSI, what happened in 2017, so this is the top of 2017, this is the bottom in 2018-19, and then you can see the RSI breaking out of the pattern again. And when we break out, that is the reversal, bam, of the market, you see. And then when it crosses the red line, you go into the new bull market. Now, panic dump, corona, very beautiful see. And here you see again we are creating this pressure where we should be breaking out, something like that. Not with that thick line, but then with a little bit thinner line. I'm working on my Mac and it doesn't want to do what I want to do. A thin line like this, something. We should be breaking out. And then this price should be going up. And we can also see, very important, here in the bottom, there, bam, bam. Look, this eye, take a look at the lines that are crossing on the 3-day. If they are going to cross up the blue across the red line to the upside, that is very positive. A lot of signs showing me that we see a huge push in Bitcoin upwards. Another chart is, bam, look how cool. If you look at this line, you can see the Bitcoin. This is made on cryptocurrencies. It was shared on Twitter. I forgot the name, so the guy that shared it, thank you for sharing. You would have bought over here this Bitcoin price. I need to draw. So you would have, for example, bought over there at that Bitcoin price, and you would have sold over there, so you would have had a huge run. This one here, you would have bought again, and then here, this price, you would have sold again, so you would have had that run. Now this one is nearing that buy area again, and that means that if we get again this buy signal, the price probably will go up. If we zoom in, bam, you will see it a little bit more clear. You can also see now it's made on CryptoQuant. I have an account there, but I still have the free account, so I should be taking a paid account, so I can show you a little bit better everything and more detailed. But on this one you can see it more up close. Launch and take profit. If you would have bought over there at the green line, you would have had that whole run again from that point all the way to there, that profit, because that is the moment you sell again. Here you buy again, you would have taken the profit till there, because we are entering the red zone over there. Here you should be buying again when we enter that green zone. We didn't enter yet, but we are going to enter the green zone, is the opinion of the creator of this chart, and I really agree with him. I think we are going to go bullish. Yes, I know a lot of people are afraid. Bam. Yes, I know it feels really strange. Yes, I know it feels like we're going to dump till 20k, but if we don't, we don't. I only believe it when I see it. Till that moment, for me, in the long-term perspective, I'm still in the bull run. Yes, with a huge correction, because we ran a little bit faster. We also have a bigger correction. I think we still go up till December. So for me, all these charts now are showing me that this is the moment. We are going to get a very exciting moment. Are we going to dump? Then yes, it will take 6 months longer before we recover. But if we're going to pump, then yes, the plan B 100k level at the end of the year is still intact. So let's see what will happen in the next couple of days. I will keep you up to date by making these videos every day. If you do enjoy making me these videos, then please give the videos a thumbs up. And very important, share them with all your friends and family. We need to get more subscribers. Hit the notification bell and please leave a comment, as it's very important. I love to read your comments while I drink coffee, and I love to respond to them when I finally get the time again. Yes, the skies are blue, so I'm a lot on the beach, but still creating these videos every day for you. So show some appreciation. Let's get more than 1,500 thumbs ups today. 1,500 thumbs up. That should be reachable. Thanks for watching, and see you later or tomorrow again, guys. Bam.
'Cause when the devil's out to get you, you better pray.